Good morning, students. Hari Om. As today we are going to continue with a topic that is wildlife on extinction. So, today we are going to study on the topic that is reasons for the destruction of wildlife. So, let us study about it. Now, when we talk about human beings are destroying the wildlife for their own benefit. See, as human interference has increased towards grassland, that is, forest, and even watershed, as we people are going more closer to the natural habitat, as we have started putting our footprints, the more we move more closer to the nature, we are putting the natural habitat in danger. But we are the aliens. Why? Because we are the alien species for their ecosystem. We are trying to destroy their habitat. If we people will destroy their habitat for our development purpose, then definitely the habitat of wild animals will be in danger. So, the first and most important point is that the human interference in grassland and in watershed area of the forest, that is the natural habitat, the home of the wild animals, we all are putting in danger. Because why? We are the alien species for their ecosystem, and we are destroying their habitat for our development purpose. So to stop this destruction of wildlife, we have to control over it. This was the first most important point. Now the second one is destruction of forest. Now what happens over here is people are destroying forest. Why people are destroying forest? People are destroying forest because of their greediness. Because of their greediness. And as we have learned about deforestation, okay, as we have learned about deforestation, so why we are doing deforestation? For our development purpose, people are literally destroying the forest. We are using forest, okay, we are using forest for the purpose of raw material. Even we destroy forest for multi-purpose project, whether we want to make highway, dam, canal, to create all those things where human will take help. At that time, also we will destroy the forest, and we do this only for our development purpose. And when we do all this, when we destroy the forest for our development purpose, at that time what happen? It creates the natural imbalance. So it is said that destruction of forest is the main reason responsible for natural imbalance. Who is the main reason responsible for natural balance? Is the destruction of forest. And what does it finally impacts? It finally impact is the reduction. When you do destruction in forest, when you destroy the forest for your own development purpose, and you people are responsible for destroying the forest, you people are responsible for creating an imbalance in the natural habitat, natural imbalance, and that time it gives finally impact. What starts reducing is the number of wild animals. When you destroy their natural habitat, definitely there will be a reduction in the wild animals. Okay, now because what happens over here is, as the food cycle which was existing was only because of forest. Because of forest they were getting their food to eat over there. It was a food cycle for those wild animals. So for our development purpose, what we did, we cleared the forest, and it created natural imbalance. So man, so what does it means? The food cycle was literally shaked over there, okay, and the number of animals started reducing. What happened? For our development purpose, we started destroying the forest, and because of that it started shaking up, means it was totally destroyed over there, and because it was totally destroyed over there, the number of animals also started reducing over there. It created a imbalance. Now next one, this was your second point. Now third point, which is responsible for destruction of wildlife, is hunting of animals. This is the major problem. People are literally hunting the animals. Now hunting of animals is the main reason. Now why people hunt animals? People are hunting animals, okay, people are hunting the animals to obtain hair, skin. Skin, the another word is hide. Then you have bones, horns, or nails is also responsible for all those things. We are hunting the animals. Why? Because the product which we procure from them, the product which we remove from them, as it has a lot of market value. The product which we are getting from an animals, the product which we are removing from the animals, because of that what happens is that those products are having a lot of market value. So we kill animals, we hunt animals for the purpose of commercial trade. For the purpose of what? For the purpose of commercial trade. The next point is what is your fourth point. The over exploitation, means the overuse, the over deforestation of forest made by man, okay, the over destroy, that is you can say deforestation of forest made by man for the greedy motives, such as road, I said, multi-purpose project, mining minerals, expansion of new settlements or cities, building new, okay, you are building new buildings over there, okay, or cities. This all displace the wild animals. We are removing their natural habitat and we are creating our own natural habitat over there. Now the next fifth point, which is responsible for destruction of wildlife, is forest lands are being enriched for grass, fuel, and for grazing. We as a human beings are going, that is disturbing the forest land for grass, fuel. We will take our animals for grazing over there, and because of that what happens, the forest fire engulf many species. When you put fire to the forest for our develop, to clear up the forest for your development purpose, that time what happens, when the forest fire occurs, at that time of rearing the young ones of the birds or hatching the eggs, okay, when the forest fire occurs, at that time of rearing the young ones of the birds or hatching the eggs. And what does it creates? It creates a negative impact on the number of wild animals. Now the next point, that is the sixth point, which is responsible for destruction of wild animal, is due to loss of their natural habitat. When they lose their house, when they lost their houses, many animals without any abode, as I told you, that is home house. When they lose their house, what happens over is that these wild animals come into conflict with man. Why they come into conflict? Why there is a battle going on between animals and man? Because they have lose their natural habitat, and sometimes even lose their lives. When they come into conflict, what happens? Even they die and they lose their life. Now hunting to procure biomedicines or things which makes perfume also brings the species on the verge of extinction. Literally people are hunting to procure biomedicine from animals. They try to remove biomedicines from animals or things which make perfume, also brings the species on what is on the verge of extinction. So this all, that is total, you have 7 points which are responsible for the destruction of wildlife, as it is given in your textbook also. These are the seven major problems responsible for destruction of wildlife, and we have to stop this destruction of wildlife, and we have to plan now that how are we going to preserve the wildlife by taking the following measures. Okay, we have to plan now, we have to do planning that how are we going to preserve this wildlife by taking the following measure. And how are we going to preserve the wildlife by taking following measure, we will study in the next video. Thank you very much.